So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Will you draw a cloud with me? Yeah, I love clouds. They're so cool. They're big and puffy and white, or they're dark and gray and rainy. All right, first let's draw some big puffy clouds. Whoop, 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 whoop. Woo, 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 woo. That definitely looks like a happy, cloudy day. Yeah, because it's nice and white. There could even be a sun right here, but not today. We're gonna be drawing some lightning. First, let's draw some rain. Whoa, it's raining. Clouds are just a bunch of teeny raindrops, but then when they get too heavy, it starts to rain. All right, let's draw a lightning bolt. Whoa, 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 yeah, check that out. Yeah, it's lightning and thundering, cool. That was so much fun drawing a rain cloud with you. At first, it was a nice, beautiful sunny day with some white clouds, but then it turned into a rainy day with some lightning, cool. That was so much fun. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!